All right, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a voicemail recording and how to actually upload it into your automation so you can start doing the voicemail drops. So I use Audacity. It's free. It's open software, and it's pretty great. So it has a lot of features that you can use. So all you would do is if you're using Audacity, you come, you hit record. Hey, this is Kai giving you a call. Just want to leave you a quick voicemail about a property I think you might own. Give me a call back. I'm just wondering if you'd consider an offer on it. My phone number is 123-456-789. Then you go ahead and just hit stop. Then you can cut it because I was talking at the end. Split. Boom. And you can play with it. You can play with the settings and stuff too if you want, but usually that's all you need. So now I would export it as an MP3, put it desktop. Probably should have titled it. Then you go ahead and come back here. So we go to automations, go to whatever workflow you're working on. It's probably easier. So if we actually go back to, you go start from scratch. You need to add your first action, hit voicemail, upload file. Then I put mine on my desktop. It was the untitled one. There you can see here is another voicemail one I recorded. Oh, that's the untitled one. Then you can press play, make sure it works. Perfect. And that's all you have to do. You hit save action, and that's all set. And then triggers, you can do it basically whenever you want. So you can do, contact tag, contact created. You can do when you send them to this automation is normally what I do. And then you just would hit save, and then make sure you just hit publish when you're working on a new workflow if you want it to be live.